Hello, what's up? What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great start of the week. I definitely did today. I read a book, an entire book, and that's a great start for me. But that's not what we're gonna be talking today in this video. We're gonna talk about some mindset related things for those who are starting online or for those who are just new, are getting started, are just looking into online marketing, into affiliate marketing, and just want to know more, and just the mindset that you need to have when you're just getting started. So today I was talking with a person on social media, and I told her like how is she progressing, because I am just following my own advice. Like in the previous videos I told you that in the beginning you need to help people for free online. So you're learning something and then you're applying it for yourself, and you're helping other people with the things that you did and you succeeded. So I'm helping other people. That's what I learned in the book Expert Secrets. I did a review of the book a couple of days ago, and Russell Brunson is teaching you that if you want to just become an expert, you need to find people and that have a specific problem. My niche is wealth, so I am just helping people get started online and make money online. So that's my niche, and I'm helping them. And right now I'm helping them for free. A couple of people I'm helping for free to get results, and the goal is, like the Expert Secrets book says, the goal is to help people pay for your advice. So I'm just gonna create a strategy, a program that will get results for other people, and then I will sell that product, and I will sell mentorship, and I will sell my advice. That's the end goal. But in the beginning, you just wanna help people for free. And the person that reached out to me had this. She was just getting started and had a bunch of comments on forums, on groups, and I noticed, and I just reached out to help, and I just asked like how is she progressing with her affiliate marketing journey. And the answer, like I thought, I've seen a lot because I worked with over 300 clients online, probably 350 clients, about that number, and I thought that like there's nothing that can surprise me. And she said like, I don't believe in affiliate marketing. Like I asked, how did you progress with affiliate marketing? And she said, I don't believe in affiliate marketing. Do you see, like, do you understand what she's saying? She doesn't believe in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not a cult, it's not a religion. You don't need to believe in it. It's a business model. It's not like you need to have a faith to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a proven business model that is working for millions of people, and affiliate marketing is basically selling other proven products, like proven to convert, so that you get commissions. So you take a product from a supplier, and then you find an audience that you sell that product to, and the supplier gives you a commission for selling it. And like she said, she doesn't believe in affiliate marketing and she's not gonna do it. And you see, the problem with this mindset is that you see people are starting out and they're looking for help, and there's people like me who offer to help, and I do it for free because I'm just in the process of growing my audience and just getting results for other people, because I already got them for me. I just want to prove that I can get results for people I work with. And then they say that they don't believe in affiliate marketing. It's because they didn't want to learn more. They didn't study enough. They didn't see what other people are doing. They didn't try to understand the strategy. And more than understanding is actually implement it. Just get started and see what others are doing. Follow a specific strategy. And I recommended to her that she joins my 4-day training. So as you know, I offer this free training, which is for 4 days, 4 video lessons, which is nickcourse.com/start. You can find the link below. and you can learn more about what I'm doing and how I am promoting affiliate offer. The affiliate offer that I'm promoting is ClickFunnels, and it's the best product that I have ever found. There are thousands of products that you can promote of other companies to get commissions, and from those thousands, like in my opinion, the best one is ClickFunnels, because they have recurring commissions and they have high ticket products that you can sell and get obviously high ticket commissions. And like, affiliate marketing is a business model, and you can have multiple business models doing them at the same time, but in the beginning you need to start with one. And affiliate marketing is the most beginner friendly. People don't just go and make their own product, and then because when you're creating your own product, you have a lot of moving parts. Like, you need to hire a designer, you need to build a funnel, you need to create all the copy on that funnel, you need to create a marketing plan, and then you need to do market research. Because if you create a product and it's already done, like everything is done for that product, and you launch it and nobody wants it, like you just lost a whole bunch of money because you didn't have skills, you didn't have the experience to sell that product. A huge part in launching a product is actually marketing it. Marketing makes the difference between somebody who's making money online and those who don't make money online. And affiliate marketing is the way to go for beginners because there's no risks. You don't need to create a product, you don't need to do customer support, you don't need to handle refunds, you don't need to ship the product. And the supplier does all these heavy work for you, does all the heavy lifting for you. You just need to find the right audience with the right product and just bring them together, and you make a commission. That's your entire job. And after you did this entire process with affiliate marketing, you're gonna have skills, you're gonna have experience with marketing, and then you're prepared to launch your own product. You don't just go online and you create your own product because you want it. Yes, you want to have your own product because you're gonna keep the entire profit, but you can do that in the beginning. That's why I recommend you start with affiliate marketing. So again, if you want to learn more, make sure to check out the free 4-day video training below, which is nickworse.com/start. And it's a start for those who want to learn more about affiliate marketing. And if you have any questions after watching the first video, feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. There should be a link below. And after you watch it, make a list of questions and I'll help you get started. Because as I mentioned, I'm helping people. I want to make a program. I already have it, but I want to make sure that it brings results, and I'm going to tweak it where needed. I'm going to help people promote affiliate offers for commissions. So the key things in today's video are: affiliate marketing is not a cult. It's not, you don't need faith to start affiliate marketing. You don't need to believe in it. It's a proven business model that helps beginners get started with marketing online and with creating your own online business. And then if you want to learn more, just go to the link below and you're going to learn a whole lot more of information from my mentor and from me, and you have my support in Facebook. So if you like today's content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting a lot of valuable content about online marketing, about growing and starting your own online business. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.